How much of your hard-earned money is just sitting in a regular bank account, earning next to nothing? That was me. I was the person who knew I should be investing, but every other platform I looked at felt like it was designed for Wall Street traders, not for a normal person just trying to build wealth. I felt overwhelmed by jargon, intimidated by minimums, and honestly, a little lost on where to even begin. I was stuck in analysis paralysis, and my money was missing out on the power of the market. Then I found Stash. It wasn't just another investing app. It was the all-in-one solution that finally made investing simple, smart, and automatic. And that's why I switched and never looked back. The first game changer for me was the fractional shares and the low barrier to entry. You don't need hundreds or thousands of dollars to buy a whole share of a big company. Stash lets you buy a tiny slice of companies like Amazon, Apple, or Google with just $5. That instantly took away the intimidation factor. But the real magic is the automation tools, especially AutoStash and roundups. I'm a busy person, and consistency is hard. With AutoStash, I set up a weekly recurring investment, a small amount I barely notice, and it automatically buys my investments. It's dollar cost averaging on autopilot. Plus, with roundups, every time I use my stockback card, the change is automatically invested. I'm literally investing while buying groceries. This hands-off approach ensures I'm consistently growing my portfolio without having to check the market every 5 minutes. And let's talk about the stockback card. This is brilliant. Instead of earning measly cashback on purchases, I earn pieces of stock in companies I shop at. I get rewarded for my everyday spending by building my own investment portfolio. Finally, Stash is a fantastic choice for the long term because of the education and the variety of accounts. They're built on something they call the Stash Way, which is all about long-term, diversified investing. They offer traditional and Roth retirement accounts, which is essential for the future, and they offer a smart portfolio option, which is like having a robo-advisor expertly managing your money if you want to be completely hands-off. It rebalances your portfolio for you, ensuring you stay on track with your risk tolerance and goals. Stash gave me the confidence to move from a saver who wasn't growing to an investor who is. It turned investing from a complicated chore into a simple, automated habit. And that, for me, is priceless. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.